Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli nazi eyinohlonze kusiswanje.
Eskom has announced that stage 3 load shedding will be implemented from today 2 p.m. until Monday 10 March 2025 at 5 a.m.
I-Eskom isimemezele isigaba sesithathu sohlelo lokucisha kogesi kusukela namhlanje kuze kube umsombuluko ekuseni.
However, while you are at it, I found the city filthy.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uzwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngokungcola kubone eGoli emhlanganweni wakhe nongqongqoshe abathile kanye nobuholi balomkhandlu udolobha.
As he continued with his testimony, he indicated that Kelly appeared calm, did not show any emotion, which is something that has been said before.
Inkantolo ephakeme eWestern Cape Phehleza Saldanha Bay bilalela ubufakazi belinye lamaphoyisa ecaleni lokuthunjwa kwentombazanyana eyayineminyaka eyisithupha ngesikhathi sokunyamalala kwayo uJocelyn Smith. Nina bakangelengelo ungalingani nandaba ngoba mayilele ubanga ngemfula yezwe lakwaZulu neyaseSwazini siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze. Isikhungo esihlinzeka ngogesi kulelizwe e-Eskom sasimemezela ukuthi kuzoqala isigaba sesithathu sohlelo lokucisha kogesi nokuhlelo oluqale ngehora lesibili namhlanje ntambama. Lolu hlelo luzoqhubeka kuze kube umsombuluko ekuseni.
Esihlinzeka ngogesi Eskom ithi ukubuya kohlelo lokucisha kogesi kulandela ukungasebenzi kwesiphehlimandla esiteshini sogesi iKuberg esiye sacishwa emva kokubuyiswa ngolwesithathu. Ngaphezu kwalokho-ke futhi kube nokungasebenzi kweziphehlimandla ezimbili esiphehleni ekusile nalapho kuphazamiseke khona ukusebenza kwamalahle ngenxa yemvula ebina kule ndawo.
Eskom has announced that stage 3 load shedding will be implemented from today 2 p.m. until Monday 10 March 2025 at 5 a.m. This decision comes after a loss of 2,700 megawatts in the past 14 hours. This includes Kuberg Unit 2, which was taken offline after being brought back on Wednesday, and 2 Kusile units whose coal operations went suboptimal following adverse weather in the area.
Le nkampani ithi njengoba ugesi uzocinywa ngempela sonto, lokho kuzokwehlisa umthwalo emabhizinisini asebenza kakhulu phakathi nesonto.
The constrained capacity resulted in the increased reliance on emergency reserves during this week, which makes it necessary to focus on replenishing these critical resources during the weekend in preparation for the business week.
Uqhube wathi kuzothunyelwa izinsiza kusebenza ezengeziwe ngenjongo yokuphuthumisa umsebenzi wokulungisa iziteshi ezikhahlamezekile.
Eskom is focused on deploying extra engineering resources to expedite the repairs of units currently offline. It is anticipated that 6,200 megawatts will be restored to service by Monday evening peak.
Kusasa ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Kgosientsura Mokgopa abambe isithangami nabezindaba ngenjongo yokucacisa ngalolu daba.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ubehambisana nethimba lakhe longqongqoshe abehlukene babamba umhlangano nobuholi bomkhandlu udolobha iGoli namhlanje. Uchazele lidolobha ke njengelifadabalayo nathe isimo salo siyajabhisa kakhulu. Umengameli uphakamisa ukuthi kusungula uhlaka lokusebenza lehhovisi likaMengameli iPresidential Johannesburg Working Group elizojutshwa kulomkhandlu udolobha ngokwelekelela ukuvuselelwa komkhandlu udolobha iGoli.
While you are at it, I found the city filthy.
Le nkulumo kaMengameli Ramaphosa iphosele ngqo inselele imeya uDada Morero nethimba lakhe lobuholi kumkhandlu udolobha. Inqalazinda yephukile imigodi egcwele emgwaqeni nemfucuze esabalele idolobha lonkana ngokunye kwenza isimo saseGoli singabukeki kahle.
Mr. President, rest assured we have heard you. From now watch the space. We will not disappoint you any further. As the people of Johannesburg, we are ready to host the G20 summit.
Umengameli ugqamise kakhulu inkinga yogesi namanzi njengokunye okuyizinselele eziphezulu kufanele umkhandlu udolobha eGoli uyisukumele phezulu.
Water and electricity interruptions have become the norm. This has an enormous impact on the quality of life of citizens and the operations of businesses.
Odabeni lwezakhiwo ezishiwe Dengwane nalezo eseyilawulwa ngabathili ngaphandle kwemvume uMengameli Ramaphosa ugunyaze umasipala ngokuthi kuzofanele azibuyisele kuhulumeni.
Those abandoned buildings where the owners have either run away should be subjected to the law we've just passed, expropriation, even without compensation. They should be turned into living accommodation.
uMengameli Ramaphosa ufuna kusungulwe uhlaka lokusebenza oluthunyelwe ihhovisi likaMengameli elizokwelekelela umkhandlu udolobha njengoba kwenziwe naseThekwini okuwuhlelo lokuvuselela amadolobha.
We are proposing the establishment of the Presidential Johannesburg Working Group to have the same effect. And we are going to work together to rebuild Johannesburg, to take Johannesburg back to its glory days.
Amaphoyisa asesifundazweni eGauteng aphenya icala lokubulala kanye nokuzama ukubulala ngemva kwesigameko sokudubula esenzeke endaweni yomtakabani eSandton. Imbiko ithi kufike owesilisa obehambisana nonogada bakhe ephethe isibhamu nokuyonanto esuse uthuthuva kube sekuduma izulu lezandla kwanokumsizi kwagcina kushona abantu abathathu kulesigameko kulimale nabantu abebezoyijabulisa kule ndawo.
Kuqubuke isigameko esishaqisayo kule ndawo yabadla izambane likaPondo izolo ebusuku ngesikhathi kushona abantu abathathu. Abantu basale bebambe ongezansi emva kokuthi kube nengxabano negcine isiholela ekutheni kudume izulu lezandla kwanuka umsizi. Amaphoyisa ke ayayizeka lenkanankana.
Investigation revealed that there was a man together with his bodyguards who was insisting on entering the restaurant while he had a firearm, and the restaurant has a no firearm policy. So there was an altercation between the men and the bodyguards as well as the security guards of the establishment.
Omunye walabo ebebeze kule ndawo uthi uqemeke uduma lwengozi njengoba nemoto yakhe igcine ithola amachaphazelo.
At around 10 o'clock last night, I came with my friends to Greenhouse, which is just next to the Solo. At maybe about 40 minutes later, we heard the first round of gunshots. My car was shot, the back window was shot twice, and then the right mirror was shot once. Yeah, they found bullets in it.
Amaphoyisa aphenya icala lokubulala nelokuzama ukubulala, kodwa ke akekho besekhalelwe amasongo kaSigonyela ngalesigameko.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ehleze Saldanha Bay ibilalela ubufakazi bephoyisa uSayitsheni Meya Milston ecaleni lokuthunjwa kwentombazanyana eyayineminyaka eyisithupha ngesikhathi sokunyamalala kwayo uJocelyn Smith.
Ngesikhathi uSayitsheni Meya Milston ethula ubufakazi malungana nophenyo lokunyamalala kwentombazanyana eyayineminyaka eyisithupha budala uJocelyn Smith uveze ukuthi unina kaJocelyn Smith akukho ukukhathazeka ukukhombisa ngesikhathi sesigameko, kanti uphinde waphawula ngokuthi kukhona ukungahambisani kwezitatimende ezifungelwe phakathi kwabasolwa abathathu malungana nokugcina ukubonakala kukaJocelyn Smith.
An emotion that I could label. If somebody is crying, there's tears coming out of their eyes, I can state that this person is sad. If somebody is laughing, I can state that this person is happy. In this case, she didn't indicate any emotion that I could give a name to.
As he continued with his testimony, he indicated that Kelly appeared calm, did not show any emotion, which is something that has been said before. She never cried, and she was not actively involved in the searches. All three of them, in fact, were not even actively involved in the searches during that period where everyone was still looking for the child.
uMilston uthi umama kaJocelyn Smith kanye nesoka lakhe babengazixakina kancane ngokuba ingxenye yethimba elalithungatha uJocelyn Smith. Bobathathu abasolwa babhekene necala lokuthumba kanye nelokushushumbisa lentombazanyana.
Komishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelenke uJenene ufane Masimula uthi benemphumela emihle imikhankaso yokuqeda ngezidakamizwa ezifundazweni ezehlukene la eNingizimu Afrika.
Phansi endaweni engadalulwanga isidakamizwa ezibiza ngaphezulu kwezigidi ezingama-340 zamarandi. Lezi zidakamizwa zicekelwa phansi ngemuva kokuphothulwa kwamacala aphathelene nazo.
We are still executing Operation Chanela, which continue to deal with criminals. And since its inception in May 2023, 114,769 suspects were arrested for being possession of drugs, and 29,820 suspects were also arrested for dealing in drugs.
Masemula uthi izidakamizwa zingena kuleli ngezindlela ezihlukene.
We have found in the port of Durban Harbour, the Port Elizabeth Harbour, we found drugs. Here in Cape Town, we have found drugs through land port, but also small other quantities, they come through air, where we arrest these drug mules coming from South America.
Uphinde wathi bayaqhubeka nalolu hlelo ngokubambisana namanye amazwe.
When we do drug bust, mostly we arrest the real kingpins, either here in South Africa or in other countries. You remember last year we had operation where we did an operation that was here in South Africa, Australia, UK, and South America at once.
Umasemula uthi inhloso uqeda zonke izigilamkhuba ezibandakanyeka ekushushumbiseni izidakamizwa.
Mbukele sathi gqwa itolo kanti mabe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi.
Foot and mouth is a cause for concern as it has a negative impact on red meat production and its export prospects.
Umnyango wezolimo KwaZulu-Natal usunqanqa abalimi ukuba bathole imvume yodokotela bezilwane ngaphambi kokuthutha imfuyo ezifundeni ezine okuqubuke kuzo amatele KwaZulu-Natal. Asikubingelele mbukeli mangibusanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi iEskom isimemezela isigaba sesithathu sohlelo lokucisha ngogesi kusukela namhlanje kuze kube umsombuluko ekseni. Mbukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus, ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe seliqinisekisile ukuthi uMengameli wase-Ukraine uVolodymyr Zelensky uzohambela eNingizimu Afrika lapho ezobamba umhlangano noMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa mhla ziyi-10 ngenyanga ezayo. Umhlangano phakathi kaMengameli uRamaphosa kanye noZelensky ngohlelo lwemizamo yokuthola isixazululo sokuqedwa kwempi phakathi kwelaseRussia kanye ne-Ukraine.
President Zelensky to South Africa is a culmination of a number of engagements that President Ramaphosa has held with both President Zelensky as well as President Putin. And when President Zelensky is here, they will continue discussing the beginning of what we would like to see as a peace process that will set the two warring parties in that conflict on a road to peace. You will recall that President Ramaphosa was part of an African initiative, which we call the African Peace Initiative, that went to Ukraine and to Russia and engaged heads of states on a need for dialogue as the only path to achieve a lasting peace.
Umnyango wezolimo KwaZulu-Natal usunqanqe abalimi ukuba bathole imvume yodokotela bezilwane ngaphambi kokuthutha imfuyo ezifundeni ezine okuqubuke kuzo amatele KwaZulu-Natal. Kubikwa ukuqubuka kwalesi sifo ezifundeni ezine okumkhanya kude, iZululand, King Cetshwayo kanye nasemajuba le eNewcastle.
Umnyango wezolimo uthi ukuqubuka kwesifo samatele sekuphoqa ukuthi kumiswe ukubanjwa kwendali yemfuyo. Isifunda ke sakamuva sitholakala nalesi sifo isifunda amajuba. Kunemfuyo ezinkulungwane ezingama-47 esengcupheni yokutheleleka ngalesi sifo kulesifunda esisodwa, kanti ukuthuthwa kwemfuyo sekumisiwe kulezi ndawo.
We are now estimating that cattle that are around there with the communities that are surrounding those game reserves, those 5 game reserves properties, are about 80,000, which therefore means we have to vaccinate 80,000 cattle every 4 months.
Umnyango uthi lokuqubuka kwalesi sifo sekholele ekutheni kube nokukhathazeka ngokudayiswa kwenyama yenkomo ezifundeni ezifana nasemajuba, umzinyathi, uthukela kanye naseZululand.
With foot and mouth, as soon as a country has foot and mouth or a province has foot and mouth, their export abilities are then limited, especially through the World Organization of Animal Health. So we get registered as an area with FMD, so we lose our free FMD status.
Foot and mouth is a cause for concern as it has a negative impact on red meat production and its export prospects. We know that countries are a bit hesitant to export live cattle and their product from a country with foot and mouth disease.
Umnyango uthi izinkomo, izimvu kanye nezimbuzi ezisanda kufika eplazini kufanele zigcinwe endaweni yazo zodwa okungenani izinsuku ezingama-28.
Amalungu ePhalamende akhala ngesidingo esiphuthumayo sodokotela ezibhedlela zikahulumeni yize uhulumeni engabaqasha odokotela asebeyiphothulile izifundo zabo.
Amalungu ePhalamende athi amakhulu odokotela awanamsebenzi ngenxa yokungahleli izinto kahle kahulumeni.
It is the solemn duty of this parliament to find money in the upcoming budget to employ the much needed health workforce.
We need to make a clear call and make sure that all those funded posts for doctors are filled immediately.
Anye amalungu athi lesi simo sibucayi kakhulu.
Patients wait in endless queues, rural clinics remain without doctors, and avoidable deaths continue to rise.
The World Health Organization recommends a doctor to a population ratio of about 2.5 doctors per 1,000 people. In South Africa at the moment, we have about 0.3 doctors per 1,000 people.
So this year, a total of 2,197 new qualified medical graduates who are citizens and permanent residents were successfully placed for internship positions, all 2,197 at the cost of 2,176,536,940.
Ngqongqoshe wemfundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube uqhuquzela abesifazana abasebasha ukuthi basebenzise imfundo njengendlela yokwenza uguquko emphakathini nokuthola izisombululo zokuphuma enhluphekweni. Ubehambela isikole ayifunda kuso iKingsridge High School eQonce esifundazweni Eastern Cape.
Ngokwesini iseyingxaki ekhoyo kwelelo Mzansi Afrika, umphathiswa uGwarube uthi le meko ingaguqulwa insebenziswano. Ukwakhuthaze amanina aselula ukuba angoyiki ukungena kumacandelo awesakwaziwa njengalawo afanele amadoda. Ugwarube uthi amanina angazinkokheli kumacandelo afana nenzululwazi nobunjineli.
Yabona into bana amantombazana aya outperforma in fact abafana with studies, and so ngoku sifuna uqinisekisa into bana njengoba befunda nzima naxa bephuma ezikolweni bayakwazi ukuthi bafumane amathuba emisebenzi.
iKingsridge sisikolo esinembali yokuphuhlisa amantombazana. Esisikolo sizingca ngokupaselwa ngamanani aphezulu kubafundi baka grade 12.
It helped tremendously, where the young girls can become independent, a proactive young citizen of South Africa, where we can say, okay, we did help you in South Africa to develop in finding your special potential and live out your dream also in a country.
Umphathiswa uGwarube uqinisekise uluntu ukuba izindlu zangasese ezingekho mgangathweni ezikolweni ziza kupheliswa kungekudala. Isebe lakhe libeke umhla wama-31 alenyanga njengosuku lokugqibela lokuphelisa nya oluhlobo lwezindlu zangasese. Ndingulubaba lodada kwindaba ze-SABC eQonce.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Hayi-ke nina bakaqamula nkomo kuba zilahlekile ziya kufundlebe kwasoshanganisi nina bezinyane lengezengezi ziyakuqobisa iniphathele zona sikho kusasa sizobuya ngesonto kuhlehla kwenqama akusikho kubaleka isikusayithatha amandla.